is about to go down.
It's frustrating when you're not the organizer.
Ziyakhala manje. Kekuka.
I have.
Yeah, I'm rocking Louis Vuitton shades, nigga.
Cat Matlala in
You can Google the price, nigga.
Cat Matlala in this.
Ukasela.
Come on.
Ukasela.
I'm rolling there.
Yeah, we're rolling.
Listen properly.
19,888.
Hey, he's not make sure. He's not make sure. He's a full kiss.
Yeah, now I'm looking fresh, perfect. So yeah.
Oh my God! Wow!
Shapfiri bafethu, I hope nimnandi, I hope ni grand. I can't believe I'm doing this. So yeah, welcome to my first vlog. So yeah, I'll be actually documenting everything that I'll be doing today. So I'm having a gig with the Music Creative Workshop. So she was performer vandaag at Botanical Gardens in Nelspruit. So yeah, I wanna go do my haircut, and then after that, I'm going to Nelspruit. So yeah, I hope you guys are going to enjoy this vlog. This is actually my first vlog, and yeah, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like, comment, and share. So yeah, come with me as I go to like Baba Yami, and I'm already late now. It's 22:10, so hopefully ngasibamba isikhathi because I have to be at Riverside ngo 1 o'clock. So hopefully ngiyashaya ikhathi yami fast and then ngibe ngigibela ngiye Riverside. So yeah, ngiyaphuma manje. Let me actually wear my t-shirt and then ngivale. Yeah, I decided ukuthi ngiqale ngigeze and then ngishaye ikhathi yami after. Though I look crusty, so I believe the haircut will make me look more fresh. So yeah, sharp video. So lana bese ngifikile vele barber shop, and lucky enough yongithola kunganamuntu. So yeah, nginika lami vele lana bese liqala operator mfethu. So yeah, this nigga ngikholi mfethu is also a rapper. So yeah, njalo masese studio we always having conversation bro with this guy. So sihlale sikhuluma, sishare nje ma views yabona. So I've recently came up with this concept yama rapper like us, where I'm recording rappers and putting them on like Facebook, and yeah, we're just trying to curate something for a hip-hop space and actually revive rappers from Ekaslate, because you know we grew up as Lalela Chase Peters, Lalila, all those guys famous rappers. So yeah, it's a platform that I've opened, and I'm trying to bring awareness to the hip-hop space. So yeah, we were just talking nje yosikhuluma blind la ibinkonda vele ngitshela ukuthi mfana ngilate, I have to go to Nelspruit mfana today. I'm having a gig, and yeah, but ke we had sihlala sicoca blind.
Online.
Yeah, mina dog, it's me opening up a platform. But obviously one thing that you have to know is kuba mnanzi kwe session yakho up to well, and you can't come to a session no snack, no anything.
Nah, dog, you have to be an artist. Yeah.
I'm just trying to. That's actually we are about conversation that I normally have with the niggas before I record. I wasn't angeke ukuthi ngiyarecorda mahala funa ngiphinze ngibuye ukuthi ngine snack. Cover me on that one, dog, and make the session to be more fun, dog.
Interesting.
If it's snack, if uva ngathi wena usheshe ulambe, yabo, you can get whatever that we drive it. Say nanzi bayo kukuwe.
Yeah, uthi na next time basho uthi kusele nigga did. We want his presence because ekuse makafiki
makabuba right the spaces yabo, because mina kubuhlungu ukuthi kutofika mfethu sefuna asinakho funa mina futhi ngikhiphe imali
ngala we
yabo ngala we are mfethu. After all I'm gaining nothing.
Nothing.
But I'm opening a platform. I want to create change. I'm curating something that will make a difference. And already, dog, already, it has got people talking on socials. It's moving, bro.
Yes,
it's moving already, bro.
So I don't know when you will send me some beats. But my phone is fucked up.
Before me tell
yeah.
I tried calling you before I came here, but I'm gonna I don't know what else.
My phone is fucked up though, but I'ma fix it as soon as I get there.
Uyabona usinyalo sekuyashisa sefuna ulungisa ifoni
We
kuyashisa.
came here to say, oh,
Kuyashisa. Mfana the rappers.
Yeah.
Playlist lengiphethe.
Yeah.
Kuyanyiwa bra.
everything was in my past, dog.
Trust me kuyanyiwa. I'll show you 1-2 videos nyala before I bounce.
Before you bounce, okay, alright.
So nyalo grab the opportunity dog.
Kambe kumnanzi ngani uma ngikuthi ngiblind lapha kulamabhazi I get a chance ukuthi ngiphakathi kwe-album.
Mina mnaka ngibuka I'm sporting talent njengoba sikhulu. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi everything is happening under my label angithi.
Yeah,
So I'm sporting talent and I'm dropping these videos on my YouTube channel. It has 4K subscribers at the moment. So yeah, Late William Cheese is the one that is actually moving because it's somewhere around 200 and something, but it's sengakahlanganisi video. So if it goes to 1K, we should put the movement yabo. It's growing.
See, and yabona athi channel now.
Yeah, now I'm looking fresh, bafethu ngiyangibona nani. So yeah, I'm done now. I'm bouncing to Nail Spirit. So yeah, inja yami mfuna kuye ngirecord drop verse. So I hope you guys will enjoy session yakhe. So yeah, I'm out. Sure, enjoy yami.
Yeah, so lana vele bese ngisetaxini. So lena ilocal. Mawufuna kena sport ufuna uqala ugibele local la kasi hambi yokubeka hiking spot. And then mafika hiking spot ugibele taxi letokisa Nail Spirit straight yabona. So yeah, why benzola ningasho bafethu ukuthela indzaba i-content yahlupha. Lucky enough bengihleli ku-front seat. So so long busy ngifuna kukhipha le phone ngifuna kushootha le ndlela ngithi ngishootha mara ngicine ngithi hayi kuyafana man ngcono ngiyikhiphe ngishootha lokusala kangeke ngize ngife man. Content thina vele funa abantu ba-adjust ba-understand ukuthi we are living in content creation space. So yeah, vele ngagcina sibinzi ngathi hayi ngiyashutha kuyafana mos lana bese ngitofika vele hiking spot. So lana bese ngigibelile itaxi lena sport ngithi hayi ngathi ngibambe lelona le front seat nalana ngilokhona ukuthi ngibe busy ngale content ngiloko ngibusy ngishoot. So yeah, bengisayimele ukuthi igcwale itaxi la so bani bebangena. Yeah, so 2 minutes abe sengifikile eMbombela. Plus befuna ngihlangane nalenye item bathi ngidemamba with the rhythm. So yeah, ngilomunye umrapper mfethu loNtswembu blind. So yeah, bese ngimzinza la. Angiphethi inja la. Hamba.
Amamba with the rhythm sakuba ngena le aseskidiboni. Bathi yini kambe?
Konke igama leli event.
Khala DAC MP something MP Shandiz. You know it's a Mpumalanga thing. It's Mzwashbaya sesikhona something so bangena.
Hey yo, what's up people? It's your boy Sammy D. I'm on my way to you know dance and whatnot a festival. They said we must be colorful though, so this is what it is.
Trip check.
Trip check mfana. Hey angozi.
Ngiyabona ukuthi you are so colorful maniga. Yeah, no, bachele ba subscribe.
Do subscribe.
Yeah.
Sam, don't have a problem.
Fresh mar.
Cool on time.
Yes. How long have you been here, man?
You mean now?
Yeah, like uhleli lapha
It's been 5 minutes, I think.
5
Before ngena nje.
Bosolo sethaga with.
No. I was on my way coming from Nkomazi.
Oh, so Nkomazi.
Yeah. I was on my way, and then my cousin ufika wangidropa la.
Oh, you came with your cousin?
Yeah, so but he's coming. He's also coming.
Yeah. But are you ready for today's day?
I have
Are you ready for today's performance though?
Yeah, I'm super ready. I was born ready, bro.
Gonna move forward.
Said I enjoy yami sama place mara olom what number were you
Number 2.
We should take number 1 mara mfana.
No, I already won a recording deal with Afrotraction. What are you talking about?
I saw dog and I'm also following.
Yes,
so
yes.
we are taking over Mpumalanga. This is Semi Diba Fate.
The newest base thing.
I'm going to drop the name Lapa. You should make sure that you follow my nigga. Now we are going to a performance Yobangena and Fate. But it's a colorful mini should Marana Ikala like move at all.
Yeah, but it's a move.
Mariko. Cheers.
ngoba usezulwini nje ngimuzwa nje usezulwini nje kumanje
Siyafloka lapha right mngani wami.
Right ntwana right. Hayi angikho right. Sorry man. Ngiyangibona nami ukuthi vele is not make sure.
Kumele ube right.
Is not make sure.
Khamba njani na ugrand uhambe njani ufike kahle.
Manje sebethi umbrush amasola.
Siyaxolisa sethi sona
We are showing you love.
Yeah, sorry man.
Hayi bengithi ngizifila ezinzoza but angisazifili. Angisazifili ukuthi ngezinzoza.
Tshela ukuthi sami la.
Mani yakho. Vele. No bangena bafana. 3 hours full. Lenza lenye itshela kahle uyangitext ukuthi ula.
Mina ngingadatha mfethu kuyene.
Wena ungitext nje.
Lo mina ngingade ngisebenzini ngingadatha.
Lo uthi usakhangela wena. Ngimamela. Ngelo xesha akakukhangeli. Bengingafuni ukusho but I know, don't ask me how. You did not. Usalinde yena buyizi text ukuthi usezakafika and stuff. Yes, go around town.
Okay, the mamba mina sengibuya ku.
Lo angifuni
lo
mina
okay man.
I don't know what's my
energy. Mina offline bengayidata. Wena mina kasidlula njani Tiger with nigga. Intronyana ra.
The film. This is why it's it. You're wondering who my name is. Bazokutshela.
Uyasho. You look nervous.
Ngicabanga indaba ukuthi ngishintsha njani.
Ane, ngakhululeka.
Fake guys. Yeah, we are doing like bomb for days.
Nebo. Jo, buningi. Uzashiba. Bese ufuna ukuthi ese ukuphi? Akazanga. Ngcwabene. Ushithi sorry for him.
Yeah, so lana vele besisifikile kuvenue yethu so eBotanical Gardens. So lana besidiscussing zabe performance nemajida bokuthi soenda njani. So mina ngiyabakhomba bafethu USB khona man ningawari ingoma already ngiloadile yabo. So asplaining ukuthi how are we actually going to structure our performance. You understand? So la siyabonisana. Siya explainelana ukuthi no, this is actually the approach lesingayizama plus isikhathi sambili abafethu yabo. And I always feel like I talk too much mfethu. Mina ngiyakhuluma mfana manginema gang. So yasemi denial uyachaza ukuthi okay ngibona ukuthi sende so yabona so yeah but beswina vele in terms of what we're actually trying to come up with on this conversation yabona so yeah anami ngiyachubeka vele ngifaka imibono mfethu yeah ungawari so yeah sagcine sathola isolution ekugcineni kwako konke.
Sharp.
Sharp.
You look nervous. Why?
I'm not nervous.
You're not?
Singene ngaphakathi ngiyachaza.
Usho ukuthi kuyashisa.
Or ile mawule ngwaqhiki.
Sharp. Fresh. You look nervous ngiyadlala.
No.
Ugqoke confidence.
Are we on? That's fine. To keep you cool.
Ask inside. Chance I'm your friend. Nini ngaveli.
Yeah. Once you want that, I know.
Yes!
Yeah, Ching Chong.
Please make sure that you hit the like button, press the subscribe, hit the notification button so that when we drop the next video, you can go to be well aware. This is actually my first vlog. We're going to perform Manjing Pizza Squad. Yes. Yeah, nigga.
Aziliyekithile.
Izofena ejulukile estage balinde backstage kulindwe nina.
Cha.
Ofena ejulukile ngoba angazi kwenzakalani ngani.
Ngiyazwakala.
Our ticket got lost.
Yeah.
And we're late.
Super
But
late.
better late than never.
Know what it is?
How is it working with artists, man?
It's frustrating
Nah.
when you're not the organizer.
Nah.
Just joking, I love it.
But
I
you
just
look,
don't love him.
you're so colorful today. Nah. So nice. Trip check, full trip check. You're looking beautiful.
Shades. Alvin.
Alright.
That's the way.
I have.
Yeah, I'm rocking Louis Vuitton shades, nigga.
Kek Machala in
You can Google the price, nigga.
Kek Machala in
Yeah.
A gift
Sure.
from an older younger man. Umuntu ono 25 about 2 nje.
Yo!
Akupha that bad.
But it was a gift though.
It was a gift.
But they look nice.
Umuntu ono 25 nje ababili wathi awungane. Yeah.
Ne?
And then this one, Shein.
Yeah.
This one,
Okay.
DNC.
Danko.
This one,
Yeah. I store.
MTN.
I store. How?
MTN. I'll give you the receipt. It was 19,888. I bought it
Bachele
2 years ago.
Bachele mtanam. Are you having a good time though?
Yeah, see, for a person who suffers from anxiety,
Ne?
us being late for the first time doesn't give me anxiety, and I didn't drink.
Ne? Mario, it's a bit team in terms of the performance.
Ngiyayithemba ukuthi laba ngizobajabulisa, but I know it's not going to be what I want.
Yeah, I get you. But you
But
don't always
given-
get what you want emhlabeni ngithi. So you
Unfortunately, I'm the type
do you
of
rely on
person.
are you relying do you rely on expectation?
Unfortunately, I'm the type of person
Yeah.
who always gets what she wants.
Ne? Okay.
Unfortunately.
I see
Fortunately.
Vale, so we'll give you what you want. Thank you. Sharp sharp.
Yeah, obviously nabe sesifikile kuvenue vele yabo Hollywood bebazwakele so yeah beku on already sangena yabona injana isky energy yasikhomba ukuthi no kuzoba ngena manje ngibophele squad vele uyazi isinja ze game on
Having a good time. Are you having a great time?
No, I'm rolling already.
Ne?
I'm rolling there.
Yeah, we're rolling.
Okay, sure. I'm having a great time, a good time. It's nice to be here, seeing people colorful, seeing a lot of Mpumalanga artists having to share a stage with the legends like Dr. Nuti Mukobana, with Mafiki Zolo, and all that, you know. So it's nice to be here, and the Music Creative Workshop is here, which is beneficiary of the Music Creative Workshop 2025. They've recorded a good song, which is Mpumalanga.
Ngafunga ngagonela emini langalbalele ngathi mculo ngidophilela manje ngiphila ngokuhlabela before ujula ngenamba ngiyoqala ngokubingelela ngithi sanibonani 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 ngithi ngivesithalo kuthiwa kulo mculo sekhona siphetho ngakhatha teya ngathatha sihlalo ngabhala lihlelo wabakusihlalo semambe emnyama lengenamvelo ngavula mlomo ngashaya mthetho kwaphuma imvelo ngihamba ngesisu ngithwele ematima ngudvula amatshe kodwa bogogo bathi memente udawuviwa mave mamba lephethe kudla kwendondvo banike bade uzama kuganza inhloko nangemsila uvela ugade Buya kamsogwaba ngabo sibheva kuyafika kodwa imbilika bogwala i-interview yokuqala ngayithola kulugwalagwala swathi leli ngiyamthanza ngimbita ngesiphalaphala lesingenamabala mangilala ngimphuphatha amagwaba lana ngidlala ngiyaphanda I'm having dreams of relaxing inside a mansion kamamba before ngirapha ngesingisi ngiyondingelela ngenamba ngithi sanibonani 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 Sanbonan, 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 Sanbonan. We are the Music Creatives Workshop.
So fun.